Computer vision is a branch of AI that teaches machines to interpret images and videos like humans. By analyzing visual data from cameras and sensors, it can identify objects, classify them, and make smart decisions. This technology powers innovations in healthcare, transportation, and more, bridging the gap between human perception and machine intelligence. Computer vision is driving innovation across industries. In autonomous vehicles, it helps cars detect traffic, pedestrians, and road signs for safe navigation. In healthcare, AI analyzes medical scans to spot diseases early. In manufacturing, automated systems inspect products for tiny defects. And in everyday life, we see it in facial recognition, cashierless stores, and visual search apps. Computer vision is quietly shaping the world around us. Computer vision relies on cameras and deep learning algorithms to analyze visual data. By training on millions of examples, neural networks learn to recognize shapes, patterns, and objects with high accuracy. The process starts with capturing images, cleaning and enhancing them, detecting key features, classifying what's in the scene, and finally making decisions based on that information, allowing machines to see and respond intelligently. The future of computer vision is shaping a smarter world. In healthcare, it supports early disease detection and personalized treatment. In smart cities, it improves traffic flow, safety, and environmental monitoring. It also boosts accessibility by helping visually impaired users understand their surroundings in real time. As this technology grows more advanced and widespread, machines won't just see, they'll truly understand our visual world.